Speaker sir, first time there is good debate. All the members have contributed. Okay, they have studied, they have given their idea, they have taken the information from everywhere. So first of all, I am congratulating all those who have participated in this debate. It is a healthy and educated debate on this private member resolution. First of all, I am congratulating you. There is a good topic you have brought in front of the House. सगळ्यात पहिले हांव खरोखरूच ताजें अभिनंदन करता जेन्यून गोंयकारांचो विशय जे 1961 पासून आतां पर्यंत घडये कदाचित हाज्या पयलीं आयले आसतलो पण इतको डिटेलान ताजेर केन्ना चर्चा जाली ना म्हणजे हांव 12 वर्सां आसा एकदां मदीं केन्ना तरी फक्त विशय आयल्लो बट तेजी तितकी डिटेलान चर्चा जावंक ना बट आज प्रायवेट मेंबर रेजोल्युशन आसल्या कारणान आय हॅव स्टडीड एंड ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल्सो स्टडीड स्पीकर सर हांव चड डिटेलान न वता हांव मुद्दाम सांगता की आय एम ऑल्सो कन्सर्न अबाउट दीस म्हणून इंडियन सिटीजनशीप एक्ट 1955 governs the matter related to the Indian citizenship. Under this act, the individual who acquired the Indian citizenships are not allowed to hold the dual citizenship. That is true. If a person obtaining the Indian citizenship, they are required to renounce their citizenship of any other country. Okay, Goans holding the Portuguese citizenship, around approximately the 50,000 of the Goans approximately have registered their birth in Portugal. This provision was offered by the state former colonial rule to those born before Goa liberation in 1961 and to their children. सगळ्यां खातीर आशिल्लो. However, many of these individuals hold neither a Portuguese passport nor a billet de Identità means that is identity card. Some Goans who have registered their birth in Portugal have also obtained a Portuguese passport or ID card and which are seen a ticket to working in Europe. Okay. Ata next 1961 जाल्या उपरांत decree has issued stating that all the residents of Goa and who will be deemed to have become the citizen of India unless they are voluntarily opted for the nationality of Portugal or any other country. That is the decree issued. ज्या कोणी पोर्तुगाल सिटीजनशीप घेवंक नासले एज यू नो वेरी वेल किंवा दुसऱ्या कंट्रीची ऑटोमॅटिकली जाले जो रायट आमी म्हणटा आतां जाचेर आमी हाजेर उलयले फॉर पॉंडिचेरी सगळे जाण सगळे ऑर्डर्स आनी ते anyhow, the option which is not given at that time for the Goan 1961 जाल्या उपरांत खरें म्हणजे ज्यांचे पेरेंट्स पोर्तुगाल रजिस्टर्ड केल्ले पोर्तुगाला गेल्ले तूं म्हणटा तशें तांकां जर 18 years जाल्या उपरांत 6 म्हयने तें ऑप्शन गोंयकारांक दिलें ना आनी डेट ऑल्सो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एक्सटर्नल अफेर्स हॅव पास डेट ऑर्डर स्पेशली फॉर डेट पॉंडिचेरी यू गो थ्रू डेट not for all. कागद खंय तरी पडलो. Yes. See this. The Ministry of the External Affairs order on the 29th of November 1962 and their establishment of the Pondicherry Caroline means for them only it is. Right?
No.
For all?
I'll show you our Goa citizenship order.
Okay. No, but this is there.
No, there's provision also here.
There is provision. Okay.
I'm sorry, there's one copy. Just pass it after you take that copy.
The order may be called the Citizenship Pondicherry Order 1962.
So same thing is there in the Goa citizenship order. God amend you. Last paragraph. Right side.
That decree passed in that?
Right side. Last paragraph.
Provided that further case of the child of the declaration and under the preparation of the proviso, further the mother and both the parents have it and a legal guardian determine the citizenship or nationality of the children declared and below the 18 years at the age of 6 months of tenure. Yes. But it implement now.
No, implement it is operating by law.
But this is an
no, left side is a different one, right side is
okay, go ahead and citizen.
The book copy.
Yeah. Okay. Anyhow, but how एक issue zalo. Another issue is there is one case, as you know, in High Court. Okay, there is already one case in the High Court, आणि which is on the 12 फेब्रुवारी 2024 आशिल्ली मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एक्सटर्नल अफेअर्स तांच्यानी एफिडेविट दिला की आमी given the affidavit.
Renewal of passport. That is different case.
No, that is the same case.
That is person's parent was already given in 2019 an Indian citizenship passport. So there was no reason to deprive the child of the passport.
Okay. You are talking about that case of
South Goa.
Ena Fernandez.
Oh, South Goa.
South Goa. Yeah, Ena Fernandez versus the Union of the Through the Affairs. Okay. ही केस आसा. ही केस आसा आमी मिनिस्टर ऑफ द होम अफेर्साकूय बरयला. सो म्हाजी रिक्वेस्ट आसा, वी आर वेरी मच सिरियस. त्या खातीर कन्सर्न हे मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एक्सटर्नल अफेर्स आनी होम अफेर्स ह्या दोगांय कडेन इन डिटेलान डिस्कस करुया. वी विल कम अप टू द सोल्युशन. म्हणजे एट प्रेझेंट ह्या इश्यूचेर रेजोल्युशन म्हणजे डायरेक्टली डील्स विथ द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एक्सटर्नल अफेर्स आनी होम अफेर्स. हाजेर आमी डायरेक्टली रेजोल्युशन घेतलें आनी हो रिजॉल्व जातलो असो इश्यू ना. म्हणून म्हाजी रिक्वेस्ट आसा की हाज्या कन्सर्न आमी विदीन अ मंथ whatever we want to write for the external affairs, we'll write for the external affairs. So home minister हांवें पर्सनली बरयला. पयर मेळ्ळो तेन्ना हांवें सांगला, तांणी सांगलां की जाता तितके बेगीन हेका आमी तुमकां रिप्लाय करता एंड वॉट एवर द डिसिजन वील कन्वे टू यू म्हणून. त्या खातीर म्हाजी रिक्वेस्ट आसा, वेळ पडलो तर आमी मिनिस्टर ऑफ एक्सटर्नल अफेर्सा कडेन मिटिंगूय घेवया. हांव तुमकांय कॉल करता त्या विशयाचेर. जाता तितके बेगीन घेवया. If I'm going on 17th, 18th, I'm in Delhi. I'm taking the time of the Ministry of External Affairs along with the Secretary also. And so that we are trying to resolve this issue from the Goa side also. So that to me, resolution, is fatigue.
May I just say one thing? We have a secretary here, Mr. Kandavelu. He is from Pondicherry.
Yes.
So he will also tell you that this dual citizenship.
I had already discussed with the Mr. Kandavelu.
Yeah.
I had already discussed.
Yeah. So he is also knowing.
Yeah. We'll take him also, but separately discuss.
And my request is, I don't want to come alone. Let all the parties come.
No problem.
Everybody will have to.
If the other representative also comes with the Ministry of External Affairs.
No, we don't want to come, but we can sit down to work out.
Yeah.
And the next request is, don't give 1 month, because if you put a 1 month
I'm taking the appointment on 17th, because 17th I'm in Delhi.
because otherwise code of conduct may come.
हांव 17 तारखेक दिल्ली आसा. 17 तारखे दीस हांव टायम घेता. सेक्रेटरी, मिनिस्टर ऑफ एक्सटर्नल अफेर्स आनी वेळ पडलो जाल्यार होम मिनिस्ट्री ऑल्सो, आनी देन वील हॅव द जॉयंट मिटींग.